Are you looking for the best printer with cheap ink and meets all the requirements of your home? Well, then you have arrived at the right place. In today's world, with new and improved technology coming every day, printers are getting more and more expensive. And not only the printers, their inks and ink cartridges price are also touching skies. Due to these high ink prices, no matter how cheap a printer you buy, in the long run, your pockets have to face burnt. Amidst all these problems and complications, finding the best budget inkjet printer for yourself just becomes a stressful and tedious task. It is a good thing then that we have you covered with our list of best printer for home use with cheap ink UK. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best printer for home use with cheap ink UK available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on the economy, features, and prices of each beach chair. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need the best printer for home use with cheap ink UK, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide: Present Top 6 Best Printer for Home Use with Cheap Ink UK. Let's get started with the list of the best printer for home use with cheap ink UK. Number 1. HP Deskjet 3733, all-in-one printer. Features: scroll feed scan technology. Quickly print right from your mobile device. HP ePrint. 7.5 5.5 ISO print speed. Quiet mode printing. HP Smart App. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Canon Pixma TS705, black printer. Features: print stunning photos with single inks with optional high-capacity inks. Enjoy compatibility with Amazon Alexa. Unleash your creativity with creative apps and print on restickable. A huge 350 sheet capacity tray. Operating system: Windows, Mac. Full LCD display. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 9020, all-in-one printer. Features: get automatic two-sided printing and scanning. Print up to 24 ppm black. Voice-activated printing with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. Operating system: Windows. Designed to save your time. Enhanced security, reliable connections. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 4. Canon Pixma TS5050 All-in-One Wireless Inkjet Printer. Features: maximum resolution 4800 x 1200 dpi. Print speed ISO IC24734 mono 12.6 IPM. Maximum scan area 216 x 297 mm. Minimum hard disk space 1500 MB. Display LCD. Using the built-in SD card slot. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. HP Deskjet 3750 Multifunctional Printer. Features: low-cost, compact wireless printer. 3-in-1 printer, scanner and copier. Small footprint and feed scanner. Wireless printing from a wide range of smartphones and tablets. Direct printing from Apple devices via Apple AirPrint trademark symbol. Optional XL cartridges enable a savings factor and more range for higher volume printing. Scanning of mobile devices for the multifunction device with HP Mobile Printing app. Press in whisper mode. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 6. Epson Workforce WF a 2830 DWF Wi-Fi printer. Features: Wi-Fi 4-in-1 print, scan, copy and fax. Easy mobile printing. 3.7 cm LCD screen. Compact and stylish. Individual inks. Operating system Mac OS X 10.6.8 or later, Windows 10, Windows 7 etc. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.